Rokid Air AR Glasses User Guide.
How to connect Xbox to Rokid Air glasses. 1. Direct connection. Hello everyone, this is a long-awaited video. This time we provide a video on how to connect Xbox to our Rokid Air glasses. First, let us introduce some devices we will use in the connection today. In Xbox console, a U-green HDMI adapter cable, a micro cable, our Rokid Air glasses, and a supplied USB-C cable. Okay, let's start connecting. First, connect the Xbox console to the power supply and connect the HDMI port of the U-green HDMI adapter cable to the HDMI 2.1 interface of Xbox. Connect the micro end of the micro cable to the U-green micro power supply port and the USB end to the USB port of Xbox. And connect one end of the USB-C cable to the U-green USB-C output port and the other end to the glasses. After the connection, turn on the Xbox. Connect the game controller. Wear the glasses. You can press the notepad to adjust the glasses to a comfortable position. Then the Xbox picture will be projected onto the glasses. The size of the screen you will see is about that of a 120-inch TV 4 or 5 meters away. Let's open Horizon first. Playing with it on the glasses will bring you an experience different from that on the TV. It is more immersive. You can also try other games to see if they will give you a new experience. 2. Streaming of mobile phones and tablets. Next, I will introduce how to stream. We have tested with Samsung S21 and iPad Pro 2021 respectively. You need to download Xbox app. You can do it through online app store. After installing the app, you need to connect the phone and the console to the same Wi-Fi network. It's recommended to connect to your Xbox with a network cable. This helps make streaming more stable. After connecting them to the same network on the console interface of Xbox, select the Settings, Devices and Connections. Remote Features. Check Enable Remote Features. In Xbox app Preferences, check Allow connections from any device, and then select Test Remote Play to test whether the current network connection is suitable for streaming. That's the settings on the Xbox console. Next, turn on the mobile phone. Open the Xbox app with your login account. Select My Library on console. Select Remote Play on this device. After the game picture is loaded, connect the mobile phone from the glasses. Wear the glasses. Adjust position of the glasses. Then the game picture is projected onto the glasses again. There's still a slightly delay in such streaming. The better your network is, the more stable the connection will be. The faster your network speed is, the less the delay will be. That's it for this video. Bye everyone. See you next time.